What's up guys, we're yet here with another video. In this video I will explain how you can change the League of Legends language in any language you want, such as Korean. In this example I will use Korean. As you can see, my League of Legends client is now in English, and in order to change it, we first start with the new method. Go to your Riot client and uncheck two check boxes. I will show you in a minute. Click on here, click on settings, and uncheck this one and click on this one. So it is like this. If you have it, close the Riot client, go to your file explorer, go to this PC, your local disk where League of Legends is installed on, click on Riot Games, League of Legends, scroll down until you see LeagueClient, create a shortcut to your desktop, and as you can see it is here at the moment. Click on properties, change the target name, click on space, -- local is KO_KR with capital letters, click on apply, click on OK, and now it should open in Korean. I will also mention the other languages in the description if you don't want Korean, but another language such as Espanol or anything like that. But first, yes, as you can see, it opens in Korean. I did a lot of testing, so this should work, as you can see. And just let me know if you face any issues. I try to help you, and let's figure it out. You can also, if there are a lot of issues or a lot of questions, maybe we can start a Discord for questions like this. But for now, it should work. This is the new method. And yes, I will speak to you soon. Ciao.